Hi everyone, it's Miss Maya here, and this week is all about feel-good foods as a treat. So sometimes we like to eat things that are not necessarily nutritious, but it's something that makes us feel good and something that makes us feel happy, and that is totally okay to do every once in a while. So this week, we're gonna be making a food that makes me feel good as a treat. I have it once in a while. It's something that I love, and it's salty and sweet. We're gonna be making popcorn with peanut M&ms. So let's head to the kitchen and make some. Okay, so to make this, you only need 3 things. Microwave popcorn. I always get the one with butter, sea salt, and a little bit of oil. Peanut M&ms, and a bowl. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take the popcorn, put it in the microwave, put it on the popcorn setting, and let it go. Okay, so the popcorn is all done. I'm gonna give it a little shake. Open it up. Pour it into a bowl. Add in some peanut M&Ms. You can also use regular M&Ms if you don't like the peanut ones. Give it a little pop. And you're all set. I love this because it's like the great mixture of salty and sweet. Here, let's take a look. And that's it.